Friends, welcome to Juan's Garden. My name is Juani. Friends, wanted to share something with you, something that we just found out today. My husband and I have been remodeling a house for the last 3 months. And this house is mostly tile. And look at this, friends. Look at the dirt that is embedded on the grout of this house. We were about to pay someone to come and remove the entire grout and regrout it because this mismatch of clean grout and dirty grout looks just really bad. And throughout the house, because the house is mostly tiled, this is what you see. We were also about to consider recarpeting this house because look, this looks absolutely terrible. So friends, we went to Home Depot and we asked for advice, and instead of paying a few $1,000s to regrout it or carpet it, friends, we purchased this little tool. See that? So on one side you've got a diamond blade, on the other side you've got the crisscross. And friends, it does a super good job. So let me show you one that we've already cleaned. So this here, we haven't done yet. And throughout, you can see there's a mismatch of areas. It looks pretty disgusting, in my opinion. I'm on the floor, friends, I'm on my knees. Let me get up. Oh goodness, let me get up. And then let me walk towards an area. Well, here's my hubby working on it. See that? It removes the surface without really cutting into it deeply. And friends, now look, we've got a uniform color. All the dirt that was sitting on top has been removed, and now it looks clean. I got my broom there. And so I'm so happy that this worked because this is going to save us a lot of money. And look, friends, I love it. I love it the way it's worked. It looks super nice now. And most of the house is tiled. So imagine having to pay so much money on having to pay a professional to do this. You see, friends? See how pretty, clean, uniform color? And then we do have an area in this house where there's a small section of carpet. This is in the living room where the living room furniture goes. And so anyway, my recommendation, friends, if you have this similar situation and you need to fix it, you don't need to spend thousands. Look at here, friends. See? Areas where we haven't gotten to yet. Really bad. This tool, friends, right here, they cost $10 a piece. $9.98 a piece. Here's what it is. And totally recommended. So friends, thanks so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. See you again soon.